Your opening argument sets the tone for the entire debate. Make it count. A strong opening starts with a clear and impactful statement of your position. For example, if you are on the pro side debating that schools should require uniforms, you could start with school uniforms should be mandatory because they promote equality, reduce bullying, and save time. This immediately tells the audience what you stand for and why it matters. Next, outline your main points briefly to give the audience a roadmap. You could say, in today's debate, I'll explain how uniforms create a safer school environment, improve focus, and make mornings less stressful for students and parents. To make your opening even stronger, include a powerful fact or question. For example, did you know that schools with uniforms report a 30% drop in bullying incidents? That's why this policy is essential. Keep your tone confident and engaging. Avoid sounding rushed or uncertain. This is your first chance to win over the audience and set the stage for the rest of your case. With a strong opening, you set yourself up for success. Follow us for more tips and check out our virtual speech and debate classes where we build confidence and communication skills.